Okay, this is our first trip out. Just gone out for the day, and we're going to Rutland Water. And Jane's just got in. Will she give you a wave? I don't know. She's putting a seatbelt on. Well, we've arrived at Rutland Water. There's Herb. You can see how busy it is. One motorhome there, parked on the disabled spot. Whether he should be there or not, I don't know. And we're sitting there. You can see how busy it is. And we didn't have to use our pass to get in today. We just drove straight in, which is really good. Knock knock, can I come in? Oh, thanks. Is it all working?
It's not, you don't get on the film.
What's that? Can't believe how calm it is today. Facing that way. The two old folk at Rutland Water again. Walking towards the nature reserve, I just thought I'll have a look at this in the sun. Look at that. Can't believe how calm it is. I'm in a t-shirt.
I haven't got my hat on.
No, you haven't got your hat on. I haven't got a hat. We've actually got suntan cream with us. I don't know how to dress because of it's been so cold and we've been stuck in the house for I don't know how long. And look at it.
It's going to get colder.
Colder, yeah, next few days. Excuse them cutting the grass in the background. I've got to do it sometime. Ah, look at that. More people in this Whitwell right now. And I'm going to see if the little cafe's open. We might get an ice cream.
Mm.
If that's what you want.
Yeah. Nice.
You have an ice cream?
Yeah.
Who cut your hair then? I did. What are you laughing at? You haven't paid me for it yet.
Oh, no. Put it on the slate.
That slate's getting bigger. God, look at those trees. Just sitting on the grass having a magnum, and I've got two friends. Hello. What do you want? You're getting very close. Any camera. Oh, beautiful, aren't you, pair? Eh? No. No, not got anything for you. And you look lovely as well, don't you? Jane's sitting there, and just there, within about an inch of my back, is these two ducks. And I think they were using us as a shade from the sun. Hello. Hello, quackers. I don't think we've been this way before, but shh, listen. I don't know what these birds are. Beautiful. Yeah, it's like a marsh. Yeah, nice old tree there. Could be dead, we don't know. We've not done this bit before, so we don't really know it. Look at that. And there's sheep on the hill up there. That's Barnsdale car park. It is, you see the cars above them. And that's a bird hide we look out of, which we've never ever seen any birds through. No. Yeah, there's nothing. Well, the ducks are around the calves after ice cream and stuff. So we've not done this bit before and it's lovely. We just come out of the woods, a bit of the woods, and we're getting a bit hot, aren't we?
Not moaning.
Oh, I'm gonna drink water, yeah. Can't open it.
No.
Well, I've just been dosed up with suntan cream on my lovely head of hair. God, it's beginning to burn. Are you alright? You're not? I've put my shirt up the back of my neck as well. We're going to be in the woods.
Look how good it is, because I've had donkeys here.
Oh, look,
Oh, look, cowslips as well.
Cowslips, yeah.
Oh, wow.
They look nice, don't they?
Whee.
There's a load down here, cowslips.
This is nice.
Nice
Yeah,
little
like
flower,
that.
yeah.
Very yellow.
Complicated though.
Yeah.
Complicated flower. Yes, nice bunches here, look.
Mm.
Oh. And they got that little orange specks inside. Have you seen them? If you look close.
Oh, yeah.
See it? They got
Yeah,
little orange. That's, God, look at that one. That's lovely.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Some primroses. Just here. And what are these other yellow ones? Sunandines. And these are little snapdragons.
No, not the violas.
Violas, are they?
Dog violets.
Dog violets.
Dog violets.
Oh.
Isn't it?
Bluebells. As far as you can see. Well, that was good. We thought we were too early.
Just right. Just right. It's just towards the end of April, isn't it?
Yeah. But look at them. I know when I cycle with Peter, I keep going on about it, we come along the bottom road and it's just
Yeah.
absolutely amazing. Well, we're back at the van. Jane is slaving away now. She's doing, what meal is it?
Cock a van.
Cock a van.
What, reheating it?
Reheating cock a van.
And we're having it with peeler rice.
Well, yeah, peeler rice. And we're just having a bowl each. And we're both knackered. I've just had a little bit of a lie down. And right, the humidity in the van. The humidity is on the bottom scale 40%, and the temperature is about 25 degrees C. It was up at over 30 when we first got back in the van. What's going on? Somebody? Yeah, probably can smell your food. Yeah, and we're both knackered.
In a nice way.
Yeah, in a nice way, yeah. Well, here we have it. Shredded cock a van with rice. One bowl meal. It tastes better than what it looks. You going in the front? Shall I pass it to you?
No.